Today I am on my Troxus Explorer, and what we're going to do is we're going to find out how far it can go in warm weather. See, when I did the initial review, it was only 42 degrees out, and we were able to get 29.7 miles out of this bike. Now, I used Strava to record the ride, so I'm going to use Strava to record the ride today. That way we're comparing apples to apples, and not only are we going to find out how far this bike can go on a warm weather day, but also you're going to see why people love Chicago in the summertime. So let's get into it. We are here at our first stop. I stopped over here at the Ohio Street Beach. I have the playpen behind me. Strava says we're at 13.22 miles and we've dropped 1 bar of battery. So it's a great day. Let's continue on. We have just dropped down to 2 bars of battery on the bike, so we're going to start heading home. But Strava says we are 18.90 miles into our trip. The average speed, it says 14.47. The display says like 15.5, so we're going to say like we're at 15 miles an hour. I've been doing it in pedal assist 4 and pedal assist 5. That's been my average during this whole trip. Let's keep going. I'm at 24.91 miles and we've just dropped to 1 bar. Oh boy. Our battery is flashing and we are at 28.99 miles. We're heading back to the house. So I don't think it's going to be long until we know what the final distance is on this warm weather day. Today's ride was kind of surprising. The battery tapped out at 30.55 miles. That's what Strava says. And today's temperature was like 81 degrees. Now, when I initially reviewed this bike, it was 41 degrees or 42, and the battery ended at 29.7 miles. So realistically, I was expecting more of a change when it came to how far I could go. But if you are interested in this bike, we'll go ahead and click on the link below. If you are interested in any of the accessories that I had on this thing, well, that'll also be in the description. Thank you for coming along on my trip today and checking out beautiful parts of Chicago. So until I see you again, enjoy the ride.